another day in a row. Temperatures hit the 60s, but we'll have to say goodbye to this kind of weather for the long term, as we do see colder weather moving in tonight. And we also have some blustery winds on top of this. That's what helped blow in the warmer weather today. Low 60s across the state line right now. Keeping an eye on the wind gusts. They were blustery earlier this afternoon. They've calmed down a little since then, but they will ramp back up again later on this evening. You can see gusts up to near 40 miles per hour already in Galena. That kind of wind speed will move across the state line through this evening, resulting in possibly at times wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour. So we remain under a wind advisory for all of northern Illinois through midnight. So it may take until midnight before the winds start to calm on down. In the meantime, look out for winds gusting up to 50 miles per hour through this evening. Again, we're expecting the winds to calm down after midnight, but leading up to that point, difficult travel conditions for high-profile vehicles. Some small branches and things may blow down, loose objects blow around, so it'll be a little difficult to move about the state line as a result of those strong winds through midnight. It's all coming in with this next area of low pressure that's also producing some scattered showers and thunderstorms across Iowa. We've got a couple hours before those arrive, and we're likely to avoid severe weather, but we'll have to watch what's going on to our west. A tornado watch out until 8 o'clock for sections of the Hawkeye State as a result of a lot of warmth there and being closer to that cold front. The storms, though, are expected to weaken as they move eastward. We're losing daylight, so the atmosphere will be a little calmer, a little less energized as those storms arrive for us. We're expecting to see just common thunderstorms. However, to the west of Freeport, there's still a slight risk for some strong storms, even isolated severe weather. Small hail, 50-mile-an-hour gusts, the main threats here. And again, the rest of the state line to get to Freeport and east of Freeport, expecting to see just regular thunderstorms as those continue to weaken. And that's reflected on Future Track, that line of thunderstorms arriving close to 10 o'clock tonight. And as it moves on through, you can see these fall apart a little as they work their way to the east. So we may get some rumbles of thunder, a quick downpour, some blustery winds, and that should be about it. We get beyond midnight, and that line of storms exits. Will be dry then going into Thursday. Overnight, down to 47 with the storms early. Windy conditions continuing overnight, but once we get beyond midnight, we're seeing gusts down to 35, even 25 miles per hour. So looking just breezy at times going into tomorrow. Starting out cloudy, turning sunny later. Temperatures getting close to the 60s, but likely to fall short thanks to some cooler winds moving in, only gusting up to about 25 miles per hour. And we continue to trend downward from there. Low 50s going into the weekend with a couple nights near below freezing. By the time we get to Sunday, we're down into the 40s. Early next week, some low chances for rain and snow as a result of that cooler weather. And in your most accurate 10-day forecast, we hold on to those 40s for a while. We might get back to 50, though, just in time for the first official day of spring. That's coming up next Saturday. James and Kristen.
Good thing for now, Alex, we're playing sports